Here's some exciting news coming straight from Vadodara. India is stepping up in a big way when it comes to metal and materials testing. Geo Design and Research Private Limited has just launched a world-class testing lab right here in the city under its Geo Metal and Materials Analytics division. And get this, it's packed with cutting edge technology and equipment that can handle over 900 types of tests for industries like manufacturing, oil and gas, aviation, and even defense. Led by structural engineer Devansh Chauhan, who's trained in the USA, this lab is ISO 17025 certified and supported by a team of over 150 experts. What does this mean for India? No more sending samples abroad for testing. This local facility can cut testing costs by nearly 90%, saving time, money, and putting India on the global map for quality manufacturing. But it doesn't stop there. This initiative is also opening doors for students and researchers from nearby colleges, giving them access to real world research opportunities. Plus, welders, fitters, and engineers will receive international level training, helping them land jobs in top national and global companies. And here's the big one. Vadodara will soon be home to a one-of-a-kind testing center in Jambusar with a massive 5,000 metric ton load testing capacity, including dynamic fatigue load testing, something you usually find only in countries like the USA, China, or Europe. It's not just a lab, it's a leap forward for Indian innovation, industry, and opportunity.
Hi, I'm Devansh Chauhan, and I'm a director here at Geo Design Research Private Limited. My father started this firm. It's a civil engineering based firm. It started off as a testing laboratory. Then it grew into structural design, architectural design, and slowly we have gotten to a point where we design all kinds of infrastructure, high-rise buildings, national highways. So not only design, we also supervise those projects. We have a testing laboratory, which right now primarily it only does building material testing. So now we are expanding, and we have recently inaugurated a couple of days ago our M&M Analytics GeoLab, which will focus on metals and materials, not restricted to building construction. It will also serve the aviation industry, aerospace industry, defense industry. So we are expanding in that sense. We have a team of 1,200 people who are working on these projects. We have our presence across pan-India. We are working in almost all the states and union territories. We are also planning to expand outside of the country. We are taking work from Italy. To gain that experience, we are taking work in Africa from Congo. We have done some work in Canada. So now we are setting out outside of the country, learning from that and training our people here. The idea is to uplift the manpower here in India as much as possible, and to compete with the first world as far as infrastructure is concerned. Not only to compete, but to go above and beyond and bring innovative solutions and really uplift our infrastructure to a point where India as a country is really looked up to when it comes to road infrastructure, building infrastructure, bridges, canals, and so yeah.